Hello, in this video we are going to learn how to build and invest periodic balance table. Our scenario here is at the beginning of 2004, Mr. Wright invested 20,000 in SP 500 index fund. From that on, he invested 10,000 at the beginning of every year because he wanted to prepare for his retirement. He was 50 years old in 2004. Let's see how much money is in his investment account so far. And let's do the calculation. The beginning balance of the first year of investment 20,000. Interesting earning. This is the real growth rate of SP 500 index over the past 14 years. And so interesting earning is the beginning balance times the growth rate or return rate of the SP 500. And total expense, because you invest in SP 500 index fund, you need to pay some fee for the service. The fee rate is 0.5% of the beginning balance plus the annual earning. So plus earning times 0.5%. This is the expense. Because it is expense, we better put a minus sign on. So the ending balance is, you just sum up these three values. Now, this is the first year's ending balance. Let's go to the second year's. The beginning balance here, remember, is the ending balance, the previous year's ending balance, plus he invests 10,000 at the beginning of every year. So plus 10,000. And then interest for this year, earning for this year is the beginning balance times the growth rate. And then the total expense is these two plus these two, and then times 0.5%. Oh, remember to put the minus sign on. And the ending balance is sum up these three values. Okay, after the calculation of the second years, we find the pattern, and we don't need to go on and on. We just let's check. This is the pattern. We just choose the second row and then double click. Oh, we got the ending balance so far. That is, this amount of money is in Mr. Wright's investment account. And let's check on the total investment so far is the initial investment plus 10,000 times 13. Why times 13? Because from that on, that the next year he invest 10,000 at the beginning of every year. So it is times 13, not times 14. And then total gain is this value, and the ratio is 2.2. The net earning is just the total gain minus total investment. This is a pretty good investment. His money got double after 14 years of investment. That's pretty good. This periodic investment balance table actually is a generalized table. You can change some value here. For example, you want to change if Mr. Wright, the initial investment is 50,000. So you can change the number here, so you can get another ending balance value. If you change 20,000 to be 50,000, now the ending balance change. Or if you change the annual investment, the original number is 10,000. If you change to be, for example, only 500 or 5,000, and then you from here you double click, you got another ending balance. And even you can change the investment pattern. For example, at the age of 59, Mr. Wright buy a cabin by the lake. So because he bought a cabin by the lake, he stopped annual investment of this amount. So what shall we do here? So from this year 2014, he stopped annual investment. Okay, let's go back to the original value here, and then here. Go back to the original one. Double click. Okay. 20,000. This is 10,000. Double click. Okay. Suppose at the year of 59, Mr. Wright bought a happened, by the way, and he stopped annual investment. So from this year, this is 0, no more. And then double click and the left off change. So you got this ending balance. Okay, you can explore more on your own way. That's all.